We're now going to create a non-proportional relationship using words. So here it says at the North Parking Garage, it costs $5 to bring your car into the garage plus $2 for every hour the car is parked. Same thing, we have to find the rate of change. What is changing per what? In this case, it says it's $2 for every hour. So because it's saying every hour and we don't know how many hours, we can represent that hour with X, and 2 is the rate in which it is changing. Now, to bring your car into the garage, it costs $5. Regardless of how long you're bringing your car into the garage, it is going to cost $5. That means my B is 5. So we have our M as 2, B is 5. My equation will be y equals 2x plus 5. That means the cost will be determined at $2 per hour plus the cost of bringing your car into the garage.